Hey guys, have you heard about the Revel? It's put out by Winnebago Industries. A fantastic 4x4, go anywhere, state-of-the-art RV. Easy enough to run to the grocery store, run through a drive-through, or go from here to the Gulf of Mexico, all the way up to the Canadian Rockies. Come on in and take a look at it. First of all, we're talking about a 4x4 chassis here, and that gives you a lot of opportunity. They've done some neat things here, like we've got a little fold down table so you can have a place to eat inside or outside. A lot of gadgetry when it comes to these, and they are very, very, very popular. It's the fastest growing segment in the marketplace. People that have them love them, and they want more of them. So I expect to see quite a bit more like this as things go along. I love the screen room. It's a nice way of having the door wide open. You can drop the screen down, you can get the cross ventilation, the view, the whole 10 yards, no bugs. They've done a very nice job of designing this, and as I say, you know, a lot of times when I have people that come in and ask to look at these vans, they've done quite a bit of research, either through the trade magazines, or they have just done quite a bit of reading and research on them. So you've got these two seats up here, which is your driver and passenger seat. And of course they maneuver, they can turn around, they go back and forth. You've got a Mercedes display here that's everything that you can imagine. It's integrated for the telephone. It's integrated for the navigation. It's just it's very 2019 all the way along. They've done a couple of neat things here. One of the things that I like about this is we don't see a bunch of plastic. The things that are supposed to be durable are, like this is a nice metal cabinet. You can put a lot of heavy stuff in there if you need to. You've got low draw lighting in here. We call the bed a Euro Loft, and part of this is that people that are using this, that are interested in this particular model, are usually someone that is a hiker, they're a cyclist, they're a photographer, they're a mountain climber, they've got gear, and they need a place to store it. But they also need a place to lay their beautiful heads down and get a good night's rest so they can get at it again the next day. So this bed comes up and down. They have, Winnebago was smart enough to make this injection mold so it goes out a little bit further. This allows someone that's a little bit taller than I am, and I'm only 5 foot, about 5 foot. I like to fudge a little bit, but so someone of a normal height can lay in here comfortably to work out just fine. It's these doors open up, you can have the screens out here, you've got a rack on the top. They've utilized all this little space like this. Get that open. Gonna get that open. I like this, I like the way that they've used these aeronautical hinges. There's your bathroom. And it also serves as a double. So some folks are just not interested in a bathroom as much as others, or they want it to have it both ways. So if you want to use this as a lavatory, there's a nice toilet down here on the bottom and a shower. If you want to use it as a closet, you can do that. These are really lightweight bamboo shelves that come in or out. It's a great place to store a few things, and it's a multi-purpose vehicle. Really, the idea here is that we're going to make a very small footprint as far as its impact on the environment. And we're going to have a vehicle that you can, like I said, take to the Gulf of Mexico, or you can go to the Canadian Rockies, or you can run to the grocery store. So the best way I can help you today is to invite you to come out and sit down in the driver's seat, take it for a drive, lie down on the bed, and get to know what this Revel's all about. Thank you so much for taking a look at this video today, and I hope that I haven't bored you or left out things that I didn't cover for you. Call me. I'm at 541-521-4232. My name is Barbara D. Belcom, and I've been in this industry for quite a while and had a van, so love it. Come and see me. 541-521-4232. Thanks a bunch.